Hi, my name is Ukulele. Today I'd like to teach you how to play Dragon Quest opening. So yeah, here's what you're gonna learn in this video. Right, in this song I kind of separate them into 6 sections and I'm going to explain it one by one. Before jumping into sections, I'm going to explain how to play your right hand. I'm going to use 3 techniques. The first technique is picking. So use your 3 fingers here and put them down part of 3rd string, 2nd string, 1st string. And you with your thumb play the top string, top part. And yeah, like this, then you can bend each fingers and you can play each strings and you can have precise control over which finger you're gonna play. So I like this technique, so I'm going to use it a lot exclusively in this video. And also I'm going to use down up, classic down up strokes, down up. The image here is to take off. You want to let it off, let it drop off from your finger. That kind of feeling when you go down, when you go up, you kind of removing the lint from old furniture or something like this. And that's the image for that. And also I'm going to use this technique that could be used for flamenco. The way you're gonna do is just play pointer finger, middle finger, ring finger, pinky. Just play them like this, then you can make this sound a little bit like jigga 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 sound, right? So I'm going to use 3 techniques for this right hand, and you can just watch the video and figure out which technique I use. It's totally fine if you use different techniques as well. This is my way and you can change into your way. Alright, so let's get started from section 1. The section 1 goes like this. Up here. So the first chord is like this. Finger here, and play middle 2 string. Then this one, pointer finger should be on here, bottom 2 string of the 3rd fret. Your middle finger should be on the 4th fret, 3rd string. and play bottom 3 string. And put your ring finger on the 5th fret of the 1st string. Then, like this. The next one is bar the 7th fret and put your middle finger on the 8th fret of the 2nd string. Go down or like either pinch them. Yeah, it doesn't really matter. Just play and take your middle finger and let it press both bottom 2 string of 8th fret. And next chord is this one, adding pinky on the 10th fret of the 1st string. So like this. Then this chord, pointer finger here, 12th fret, and ring finger on the 15th fret, right? So that's it for section 1. I'm going to play really slowly for you. Okay? Section 2 goes like this. Like this. So for this section 2, you're gonna use bottom 2 string exclusively, alright? So first chord, first note you need to know is 14th fret 1st string and 12th fret, and play this chord, bottom 3 string of this chord. So 12th fret, 12th fret, 13th fret, okay? And next chord is this one, just bottom 2 string anyway. So 10 and 12. And next one is 9 and 10. Play twice and put your pinky on the 12th fret of the 1st string. And next one is 10 and 12. And 7 and 8. So this is section 2. I'm going to play slowly again for you. Section 3 goes like this. So, yeah, first thing first, put your pointer finger here, alright? And play 2nd string. You have to play 2nd string twice. And play middle 2 string twice. Then put your middle finger here, 2nd fret, 2nd string. And still playing the middle 2 string, by the way. And put your ring finger on the 4th fret 2nd string and play middle 2 string. And A minor. So put your middle finger here and play bottom string, 0th fret and 2nd fret, 3rd fret, and play D like this, bar 2nd fret, and put your pinky on the 5th fret 1st string. And lift up the 1st string and play 1st string 0th fret twice, then play 3rd string 1st fret, then add these 2 fingers here and here and play bottom 3 string and slide your ring finger here and take off your ring finger and top string. Okay, that's section 3. I'm going to play it for you again. Section 4 goes like this. First thing first, play like this. Bar the 4th fret and put your pinky on the 7th fret. And put your pinky on the 8th fret, play, and 7th fret, and 5th fret. Then this chord here and here. Second string, no, 2nd fret and 3rd fret. And 1st string 0 fret. And play 3rd string again. So with that, you can play A minor as well. Then A minor and put it back. Then that makes this sound, alright? Then next one is here. Bar the 2nd fret and put your pinky on the 5th fret and play all the way down and put your pinky on the 7th fret, 1st string. It's a little bit tricky. You have to stretch your fingers. And 5th, 3rd, and play the same thing, you know, here, here, here. And slide your ring finger to here. And top string. So that's section 4. I'm going to play it again. A minor, play back, then D, 7, 5, 3, this chord, and slide them top. Okay? Now move on to section 5. Section 5 goes like this. Goes like this. So yeah, first chord is this one. Bar 7th fret and put your middle finger on the 8th fret of the 2nd string and put your pinky on the 10th fret of the 1st string. And take off your pinky, 7th fret, 1st string. You know, place your middle finger on the 1st string as well and play 8th. And put your pinky on the 10th. Then this chord again, you know, 12th, 12th, 13th. And play 1st string, 0 fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, and F. Bar the 5th fret and put your pinky on the 8th fret of the 1st string. This chord, bar the 7th fret twice, then C. C here. Here you can use this technique I told you before. So this is section 5. Move on to the next section. Before moving on to section 6, you can play section 1 to section 5 again. So repeat that section again. You know, so just a review, I'm going to play really slowly and jump into section 6, okay? Sorry. Like this. I'm sorry I made a mistake, but anyway. So after this, you're going to section 6. It goes like this. It's basically the same as section 5, a little bit different. So first, like this. and pause here, then play. Something like this. So first play F, no, play this chord, 7th fret and 8th and 10th. 7, 8, 10, G shape on the 12th and 13th. Then pause, then F, F is like this, and G is like this, then C, and F, bar the 5th and put your pinky in the 8th, and bar the 7th, and C. I'm just using down up technique. Then at the end you can use this technique. Alright, so that's the whole tutorial of this song. I hope you like it. Before ending this video, I'm going to show you the video with section numbers on it. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, and if you feel really nostalgic about this song, please consider subscribing to my channel as well. And yeah, more content is coming on this channel, and yeah, there are so many nice tutorials I posted in the past, and you can learn a lot from the videos, I guess. Well, the video I made in the past might be a little bit confusing, but still you can learn the song in a comprehensive way. So yeah, please do consider going to my channel and see other videos, and make sure to subscribe and like the video. That will motivate me a lot. And yeah, my aim right now is to get 10,000 subscribers. Right now I've got 6,500. It's not, it's a little bit, I want more subscribers, and in order to achieve that, I'm going to post more videos coming, so stay tuned. Bye bye, see you next time.